Vision by Design attendees, here's 2 workshops you don't want to miss. Get Paragon CRT certified. Traditional optometry is under attack by some online retailers, eroding the profits of your practice and targeting your patients. There's never been a better time to protect and expand your practice by getting certified for Paragon CRT. Attend Paragon's Get Certified workshop Wednesday, May 15th from 9 to 11 a.m. You'll join the thousands of practitioners globally that are certified and have already added this specialty lens treatment option to their practices. In addition, Paragon Vision Sciences proudly presents Meet the Myopia Experts Workshop. Adding myopia management to your practice differentiates you with a proven treatment option that can grow your practice. But where do you start? Be sure to attend Paragon Vision Sciences Meet the Myopia Experts Workshop Thursday, May 16th from 8 a.m. to noon. Paragon has assembled some of the world's leading key opinion leaders to share their clinical and practical knowledge as it relates to myopia. Doctors Maria Liu, Kathryn Richdale, Mark Bullimore, and Mike Lipson will share their knowledge and advice with you. In addition, you don't want to miss the panel discussion with Dr. Jason Nichols, editor of Contact Lens Spectrum. Mark your calendar and don't miss this opportunity to learn through these experts how you can not only change vision, but change lives.